Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are uncooking something truly timeless, wooden wine bottle holders. These aren't just storage solutions, they are an intersection of craftsmanship, artistry, and ritual. Whether you're a casual wine drinker or a serious collector, a well-crafted wooden holder doesn't just organize your bottles, it elevates the entire experience of wine itself. Let's start with the poetic truth. Wood and wine are natural companions. Wine matures in wooden barrels, drawing flavor, depth, and warmth from oak. So there is no surprise that wood feels like its most fitting counterpart in storage and display. A wooden wine holder captures that same sense of heritage and craftsmanship. It is tactile, earthy, and human. While metal or acrylic options may look sleek, wood evokes the intimacy of tradition, something passed down, touched, and appreciated over time. A wine bottle holder isn't just a stand, it is an altar of sorts. It gives reverence to the bottle before it is opened. When displayed properly, a single bottle can feel like a piece of sculpture. Multiple bottles arranged with symmetry and flow become a visual symphony. A wooden holder allows you to showcase wine the way art collectors display paintings, in a way that says, "This matters." It's the difference between stacking bottles on a shelf and curating a moment. Wooden holders excel because they blend engineering with elegance. Their designs aren't only about beauty, they're about balance, angle, and preservation. Many are crafted to keep bottles tilted just enough to keep corks moist, ensuring longevity and flavor. Because wood is sturdy yet forgiving, it absorbs minor vibrations, which helps protect wines during long-term storage. It also maintains a stable temperature better than metal or plastic, subtly complementing the wine's aging process. And practically speaking, wood's natural friction keeps bottles from slipping, while still looking refined and minimal. Every wooden wine holder tells a story through design. Clean, minimalist structures fit seamlessly into modern homes, emphasizing geometry and balance. Curved and sculptural holders, often carved from a single block of wood, embody artistry and craftsmanship. For rustic or farmhouse interiors, natural grains, knots, and reclaimed timber bring soul and authenticity. There is also the emotional tone of finish. Dark walnut feels masculine, moody, and classic. Light oak reads Scandinavian, airy, calm, and contemporary. Polished teak adds tropical warmth, while distressed pine whispers nostalgia. The right tone of wood doesn't just complement the wine, it mirrors your personality as a collector or host. A wooden wine holder's power lies where it is placed. On a dining table, it becomes the centerpiece, a quiet celebration of hospitality. In a kitchen or open shop, it blends function with decor, a nod to the homeowner's taste. In a living room or minibar, it acts as a statement piece that bridges lifestyle and leisure. Some prefer compact tabletop holders that hold a few select bottles, curated and intentional. Others lean toward larger floor-standing racks that double as design installations. The point is, a wooden wine holder isn't meant to hide your bottles. It is meant to give them context, story, and presence. A part of the charm of wooden holders lies in its craftsmanship. Each curve, joint, and polished stroke reflects human effort, something hand-finished, not mass-produced. When you run your fingers along the wood grain, you can feel the quiet dialogue between maker and material. It's design at its most honest, not just made to impress, but to endure. Even imperfections, tiny knots, asymmetries, or subtle color shifts only enhance the piece's individuality. When you open a bottle wine, it is not just about the drink. It is about presence. The moment before you pour, when the bottle rests in its wooden cradle, it's a moment of pause, appreciation, and connection. Thanks for joining me today. If this exploration of wooden wine bottle holders inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Are you more drawn to modern minimalism or rustic tradition in your wine displays? So until next time, happy decorating.